Here's a 2014 GMC Sierra Z71 SLE with 101,000 mile, two owner with a clean Carfax in bright red. Nice vehicle here with the Z71 package. Actually was a local trade, so we know this truck well serviced here a fair amount. You can see the first thing you'll notice, Z71 does give you the chrome lower bumper fascia with the chrome grille surround, LED headlights, high intensity headlights with LED surround, and the halogen fog lights there in the bumper fascia. Coming around to the side, we got a multi-spoke alloy wheel, brand new tires here. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it, glove box of all of our cars. Looking through the passenger side front seat, see, we got a 40-20-40 split bench cloth covered light gray seat with a column shifter. Got a knob four-wheel drive, otherwise gray on gray interior. It does have some synthetic wood grain accents there on the door panel. I do want to show you here, we do have, as you can see, the original window sticker and the books. Just want to show you, see brand new 12/30 seconds on the tires front and rear. Brand new brakes front and rear, 15 on the front, 12 on the back. It's one thing you can always count on with us. We will not skimp on the wearables. We completely go over these vehicles. We restore them to as light new condition as possible, both cosmetically and mechanically, and that's what you'll get with this truck as we look in through the back. Double cab, but still ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. You can see it does have the floor liners and slush mats there on the back. Also, you can see a power supply, so the rear occupants can stay connected. Got the big 6.5 foot box here on the double cab. It's a nice thing. You do get the bigger bed. As we peek in through the wheel well, you can see no oxidation on the frame rail there. And like I say, all the tires are new and match, and the wheels are in good shape. Coming around here to the back, you can see the SLE badging. Does have the park assist as well as the rear view camera. Class 3 tow hitch with integrated wiring. You can see there on the bed. I mean, obviously we got some scratches, no liner on the bed, but you know, it is a truck, so obviously was doing some truck things. Again, all the tires match, and again, no rust on that frame rail either. Full size spare. See the chrome door to door running boards that come with the Z71 package also. It's a very clean interior. One stain right here on the corner, but otherwise no rips or tears, no odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. We'll peek through the passenger side, or the driver's side front seat. See full power seat, including lumbar, also over here on the door. Should power windows, locks, and mirrors. Also, we promised 2 sets of keys. I have one here now. Nice thing about that, does have the integrated keyless entry with the panic as well as the factory remote start. See, we do have an aftermarket brake controller. Here is your shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case and your automatic headlamp controls. Push button for fog. That's your dimmer for your interior. Also got a foot pedal there for the emergency brake. Start this truck up here for you. While I do, let's take a look at the Carfax report. See, no accidents or damage, 2 owners, 16 prior service records, and like I say, a lot of those were here. Continuing to tour, intermittent wiper washers, high beams, turn signals on the left stem. Like I said, we do have a column shift. Select any of the gears in the center with the tow haul on the end. It's your cruise control. There's your confirmation and directional arrows for your center display. Also got your Bluetooth hands-free. Big touch screen radio, AM, FM satellite radio, ability to pair your phone. Now it does not have factory navigation, just the compass. There you can see the analog controls, a single CD. It does have dual climate control though. Also power pedals, the ability to shut off your traction control system. That's your cargo light, ability to shut off the parking sensors that are in the back, and your downhill descent control. 3 cup holders here in the center console, and if you look inside you'll see 2 USBs, an auxiliary, and a power supply. Of course, all GMs come with OnStar. We do have your universal home link up here with your LED map lights as well. Also, you can see we do have a rear slider with defrost on the back glass. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. So I believe this vehicle has a 4.3 liter V6 engine in it. Take a look at that real quick. That is what we have. Quiet and clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Well maintained by the previous owner. So no rusting issues there either. Like I say, it's a well maintained truck. Shut the truck off here and get into the last portion of the video. Now, just to recap, two-owner, no accident vehicle with all new brakes and tires all the way around. Last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Like I say, over 100,000 miles on this truck. It's accumulated a few little stone chips. I'll point as many as I can out to you here, but it's got a couple chips on it. Few scratches up here on the sail panel. See a few more there around the door. A couple little minor scratches we buffed out. A couple little chips here and there above the door handle. A couple chips in the lower center. A few on the bed side as well, but not dented or dinged bad on the bed at all, which typically on a truck is where you'll get some damage. This truck's very clean that way. No dents on the bumper. A little tiny one there on the tailgate with some scratches. Very common. Obviously the rail caps and tailgate protector have some dings in it. That's what they're there for. Working our way up the side. Just some stone chips, guys, is all we got. We do have a little dent that I saw right in there. Two little dents right in there on that bedside. A couple little scratches. Otherwise, just a few more stone chips. Pretty much every panel has some light scratching or chips of some sort on it. But other than a couple of little dents there on that one bedside, I don't really notice any of those. Panning across the front bumper, obviously a couple little chips there as well. Not too bad. And then on the front face of the hood, we got a few also. And across the front part of the chrome grille, you can see just a few chips there as I pan across. But all in all, guys, good price point truck, double cab 6-cylinder Z71 package, locally traded and mostly serviced here. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us, come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.